Today we're making a fluffy marshmallow nougat at home using just a few simple ingredients. This easy nougat recipe is soft, chewy and packed with flavor, making it perfect for homemade candy lovers, quick dessert ideas or edible gifts. We will be using a homemade marshmallow recipe. It is soft, it is spongy and stretchable. Check out the channel if you want to try out a recipe. Start by placing a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and adding 50 grams of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 330 grams of marshmallows. Stir continuously as the marshmallows melt down into a smooth, glossy mixture. Make sure to keep stirring so nothing sticks or burns. Once fully melted, add 100 grams of milk powder and stir well until it's completely incorporated. The mixture will start to thicken and take on a creamy, nougat-like texture. Next, add 300 grams of dried strawberries and mix until evenly distributed throughout the nougat. Once everything is well combined, turn off the heat. Allow the mixture to cool slightly so it's safe to handle. Wearing gloves, take the warm nougat into your hands and gently stretch and fold it repeatedly. This aeration step traps air into the mixture, making the nougat lighter, fluffier and softer in texture. Shape it as desired and set it aside until it has completely cooled and firmed up. Once cooled, cut it into neat cubes using a sharp knife, ready to serve or store. And there you have it, a soft, fluffy, homemade marshmallow nougat packed with sweet strawberry flavor and the perfect chewy bite. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple dessert ideas, and share this with someone who loves homemade sweets.